Greetings, and more greetings to you, good people. My name is DJ Holly, and welcome to Point 5 Creative Studios. Chitubu che content, chitubu chisingapwi, chitubu chinonwane munhu wese, chitubu chakavenekwa, chikaongororwa nana mazvikokota kunzi aiwaka chitubu ichi chine content iri healthy, content yakachena, yakakodzera kunge chikonsumwa nemunhu akaita kunge iwewe. Ndosaka kuti panapa muzvara nhasi. So if it's your first time here, dhanya subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any exciting content uploaded. Kana wangowagara uri mugaro wepanapa, dangokutenda nekuita sei nekukurumidza kubhadhara rent. Right, nyaya ndiri kufambira zvamanje ma1 yakaipa pakashata. Hanzi vakuru havasi kunyatsoziva zvavari kuda kana kuti zvavari kuronga, because vakamboti tijambe, tikajamba, vakati tigare pasi, tikagara, ezvine zvava kuti musajambe, isu tichifanira kujamba. Vanhu vari kupopota, pane noise pasocial media zvamanje zvekuti ma1 saka ndapinda munyaya iyi yandiri kufambira zvamanje. Ndingoti kana une nyaya yaunayo yauda kushambadzirwa, ndibate namba dzangu dziri pasi apa. Kana uine bhizimusi raunaro rauda kumaketerwa, ndibate futi pasame namba idzodzo handitika. And then at the same time tisakanganwe mangwana chakabvondoka, madzibaba masango anenge ariko kwaMutare. Madetails ndiaya amuri kuona pascreen penyu handitika. Enda ikoko unobatsirikanawo zvinhu zvako zviendewo kumberi. ma1 chaiwo handitika. Saka ndo manumbers ari apayo kwaMutare kudanga mvura kubva musi wa3 kusvika musi wani kusvika musi wa5 ndizvozvo, from mangwana Friday to Sunday. Saka ndo nyaya yacho iripo papa handitika. So moving forward, nyaya yangu yandiri kufamba nayo zvamanje inyaya yema-bond notes. Papinda zigi musi wa30 marimwe zuro apa, zvanga zvakanzi bond richabva raregedza kushanda, ende munhu wese anga asingachatode bond, akuda zigi and US dollar. But zvisinei muchiitiko chashamisa vanhu vazhinji nhasi panhepfenyuro yeStar FM, Governor vataura ivo kuti mabond acharamba achishanda till further notice. Vanhu vari kupopota, zvikanzi kwei makamboti achashanda sei, makuti akushanda futi. Iconfusion. Kana mune confusion kumusoro ikokoko, kokuzoti isusu tiri pasi panapa, zvinofamba sei? Ma1 sezvamunoziva tofamba nedingindira rekuti umbowo ndo watofamba nawo. Dakuratidzai first post yaiswa neIRR, then ndozokuratidzai story yacho mozvionera handitika. Hanzi breaking, bond note is no longer expiring. Zvachinja. Hanzi zvachinja mpaka. Hanzi rambai muchishandisa nyaya izere mucomment. Hanzi zvachinja mpaka. Rambai muchita sei? Muchishandisa. Zimbabwean dollar ZWL still legal tender. No longer expiring. Amenoti munoti chiinazvo zviri kuitika izvi kuti tadzoka futi, ende vanhu vari kubvunza kuti saka rate yezigi nebhondi inenge yakamira sei, kana kuti zvii zvinenge zvichinyatsoitika. Pari kunetsa zvisingaita handitika. Zvikanzi apa the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe RBZ Governor Mushayavanhu has announced that Zimbabwe dollar ZWL is still a legal tender. Speaking this morning on Star FM, the governor said the local Zimbabwean dollar ZW, still referred to as bond notes, are no longer expiring. They will remain in circulation until further notice. Murungozvionera omega, handina chakawanda chekutaura, handina chekubvisa. Nyaya yemabhondi iri kunetsa. iri kunetsa zvisingaita handiti saka right now ndambokusiyai muchinzwa comment section ichitaura zvainotaura mafungiro ayo nemaonero ayo pamusoro penyaya iyi handitika. So ndonyaya yanga chingofamba nayo zvamanje manje. As for me, DJ Holly and the rest of the crew behind the scenes, tukuti it's bye for now. Ngasangane mu video rinoteyo.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your girl Miss Anonymous with an I. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click and switch on the notifications so that you don't miss out anything that I have to bring later, and also to always engage with me. I understand Kuti, we all have something to say about these controversial topics. They're very juicy, they're very nice, but your opinion matters. So please don't forget to comment, my Zimbos. Please don't disappoint me. My God, I'm not ginger chayo, because we always have something to say. Shona kids, okumnandi wonke abahlebezoli liyangichaza linginika nje yo linika ijinja ukuthi ngibe ngelokho engenza lokho liyakhuluma laxazula udayi lahlaziya konke liyakwenza ngiyabonga njalo. Today I'm bringing a different topic that I think affects almost all of us. Nyandina nasi no barabara these ibamba sonke vele nxa kwazi uwa lapho waZimbabwe uphila lapha usebenza lapha le ndaba endala namhlanje ikhuluma lawe. Yebo wena onaleleyo ngikhuluma lawe. The topic for today is saying Kuti, do you believe that the Z currency was or has the potential to stabilize the economic situation in Zimbabwe? It's a question mark. I understand Kuti, in this country we have had the norms of changing currencies, trying to save our economy that really has been going down a lot. That's the honest truth. So tikamboita mabira checks, tikamboita ma-RTGS bond notes, tikati ma-rands, tikati ma-USD. Now government yatunzira ma-Zimbabwean gold, ma-zig. Do you think anepayo kuti betsera oi azabuya nje yenzo sikujwayele ukuthi asaqale nganasebenza, then as time goes on sibona ukuthi hayi akula jinjo nje into zakhona zingani vele ziyayehla from bed to west ngoma ndiyo. So what are you saying, my people? I've had the chance to actually go through the comment section, and I'm really liking the engagement, because it seems people are really speaking through their emotions, because I'm sensing a lot of uncertainty, a lot of pain, a lot of distrust. There's the issue of religion, there's the issue of politics, there's the issue of satire, because I know what you know sekazwis hanzu kasaseka ongatofa destroys like I'm not okay, you guys are my jokes. So I'll begin with this the one that I saw here, which talks like it dwells more into the political sector. Hanzi, as long as ZANU-PF is ruling in Zimbabwe, nothing will ever work. Nothing. Zim is not poor, guys. It is only poorly governed. So let's take it back to the ruling party. You know, we are ruled by ZANU-PF. It has been ruling ever since. So are we here to blame Kuti? ZANU-PF is the one that's really making things become worse, because ever since they got in power, things have been going down the road. Maybe do we need to change power for things to get better, or is just a situation that is actually imposed on us by the white people? Because I understand the situation in Zimbabwe. Many African countries are in the same situation with us. They're struggling, they are not independent, they import more than they export, meaning Kuti, there's a problem in the financial sector. So are we going to pin Kuti all those countries too? Is it ZANU-PF, or is it just because these are things that were made to be there because of other countries? And then pakaita some sabotage and everything, and this could rem out to tisimuke fort. No sanctions footy wire. It's a very complex issue. So I don't know. I need to hear what you guys think in the comment section. Please, liaise with me in the comment section. I want to see what you think about this issue. Is it really ZANU-PF that is poorly governing our already rich country? We're not poor, but it's the governance that is poor. So please engage with me. Then but I love your point of view, because it's just brings some satire to the whole situation. No, situation in the economy is very tense. Situation in the economy is very tense. We laugh our problems away. And so sihleke mbijana inyama zezingane ziya-relaxa mbijana ngoba yo kutense bazalana kunzima phandle lapha. Hanzi zona izimathombo zwanoisa phamarizo ndizvo zvinoita kuti mari izoremerwa at large. Vanodii kuisawo fesi yaWinky D kana yangu zvayo. Gafa tise fesi yaGafa here. I know kuti Winky D ane mafans akawanda. Winky D atone mafans akawanda kadarika zvimwe zvinhu hangu zvimwe zvinhu zvazviya. Atone mafans akawanda kaWinky D. Saka anobvumira kuisa pamari here. Kana fesi yangu zvayo. Okay. Saka are we really going to blame Matombo kuti ndakuremera mari here? Mazimbos, amuna chill. You don't have a chill, guys. Yo. Then about never could change whether bringing some religious intervention to this Z currency. Kuti Hanzi, in Zimbabwe, the only person who can change the economy is God and only God. Is God a person though? Marimunere. To ask in the first place. When we actually want to comment section kuti marimunere. And this one, do we need God to intervene, or we just have to change the way we do things, or we just have to employ some new strategies to navigate the difficultiness in our economy? Because the difficulty we face has a lot of things to touch on the economic side, how we invest, how we approach our education system. I think umdali sibilunini amandla wasinika amandla ukuthi indaba lesi ngayinqoba kodwa ekuthina sikabi kwazi kumba sikavume kumba sifuni. So I think isingangani siwela kulelo side kuyaba ngcono sibela. And then we'll move on to this one that was saying asivanhu vezimgodi cooking oil abakwanisele kusungisa government for ma copyrights. Zita here Zimgodi. Never know Zimgold. Okay, this goes to the Zimgold team. Are you going to sue for copyright? Because Zita rakaenda kamunachasvika mushopu achitsvaga Zimgold ane zigi pataka confusion kari papa. So I think that there has to be some that are really going to advertise their brand out there. Because this is kind of the difference in between. Because alutara pone nantakufunga kakuti Zita remari ndranire cooking oil no balance here. Pana kabira mwe Zita here kana pana mumwe akatiregawo since izvi zvakadai timbowira kuzita balance at the end of the day. But it goes back to the real issues as fellow citizens. Is the money we have right now really have the capacity? Does it have the capacity to turn the economy around? Because as far as I know, kapinama shops, you can get something for as low as 5 zig compared to the bond. Kuti mari wabata 100,000 bond in your eco-cash, but then you get to shop and you just buy things that hardly fill even a plastic bag, like the small plastic bag. Ongangena nje store ungani uyathenga something nge-100,000 bond yabulayela abantu amazero maningi kangakanani kodwa yaphuma nje shop uthele kulipha bag nje ungala kula lutho nje uchaya umoya nje. That was how our economy was. But since the zig came in, you now get into the shop and you get something for 5 zig, 6 zig, 7 zig. Even if bundle said it was costing a lot of money to buy a simple internet bundle from Econet, right? And even Hanzi kunama hot recharge, right? There were hot recharge places, and you get to hot recharge places, then they'll say, today $1 is going for 25,000. So imagine buying a time for $25,000. That was hyperinflation, I understand. So since the zig came in, I understand kuti bundle that goes for like is it $9.50 like a basic bundle, 9.5 or so, but in as much as that is, it's a low value. So is it going to be constant? I think that's a question that people are pondering on. Kuti kuva normal kwairi kunoku, how long is it going to last? Kulati boys ziri kubika, kune boys rechange money or spateleni. In Bulawayo they're called spateleni. Osiphatheleni bazafika nini bengani balandela umthetho lo wemali lo umbe uzatshintsha uqale futhi ukunyuka usiya phezulu, and then we end up getting those many zeros we had with RTGS and the board notes. So I think it's what everyone has in their heads, that okay, we have this new money, it's backed by gold, it's being put into the market, it's responding well to the exchange rate with the US dollars, almost similar to the rand, but how long is it going to last? That's what everyone's saying. So I'm saying God is going to intervene and there shall be some victory for Zimbabwe. Some are saying no, this is the political party that is ruling us, that is destroying us. We have the capacity to recover from all this, but what has to change are the people governing us that are doing a really terrible job. That's what you guys are saying. And then someone saying that it's beyond our control. You know, this whole economic issue is beyond our control. The moment we let the white people go, they established our country, we let them go, and then we came into power, we didn't have the experience, the knowledge, or the education to carry such a big responsibility from the white people. That's why things went like this. So andizive kuti tingaifambisa sena my fellow Zimbabweans what is only tinoseka nezvese but nyaya yakadai nyaya inoafita tese from generations from now and generations to come. Our children are also going to suffer from this. Inyaya kuti nyangwe ukavhara zizokarara mumba machoka kuti utorara ubike unoda unotenga magesi kakutenga gas saka in much as you can ignore it, Zig is going to come to your doorstep and you're going to use it. Saka you have to tell us what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to switch on your notifications so that we can continue this conversation. Once again, it's me, your girl, Miss Anonymous with an I. I'm checking out. Catch you later. Thank you so much.